Lab Rescue Agent is a 7-agent certification lab recovery system built for the Microsoft AI Agents League Hackathon. The problem is simple. Learners often fail hands-on certification labs, but they do not always know whether the failure came from a missing skill, a bad configuration, or an unsafe recovery attempt. Lab Rescue Agent turns those failed labs into safe, explainable recovery workflows. The project supports 3 synthetic certification scenarios: an AZ-204 Azure function storage failure, an AZ-400 DevOps approval gate failure, and an AZ-104 virtual machine NSG connectivity failure. The workflow runs through 7 specialized agents. The triage agents diagnose the failure pattern. The recovery planner creates fix, rollback, and verification steps. The learning path agent maps the issue to certification readiness. The study plan agent creates a capacity-aware recovery schedule. The assessment agent generates grounded practice questions. The manager insight agent summarizes aggregate team readiness signals. Finally, the safety verifier checks citations, rollback coverage, verification coverage, synthetic data posture, privacy notes, and secret hygiene. For judging reliability, the demo is deterministic and local first. It includes a smoke test, GitHub Actions CI, and an evaluation harness with 25 quality checks across all scenarios. The export commands create judge-friendly artifacts, a markdown report, JSON summary, static HTML dashboard, agent trace ledger, and manager executive brief. The project also includes a Microsoft Foundry ready configuration scaffold and a Foundry status command. The local demo honestly reports that live Foundry deployment is not verified unless the required environmental variables, SDK dependencies, and live probes are present. The goal is practical. Turn failed certification labs into safe recovery plans, readiness insights, and safety verified reports that learners and enterprise training teams can actually use.